Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram brightness problem. So the answer is simple. Go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps. Okay, then go to the search and search on Instagram, and here as you see, go to the storage and then clear cache and see if it works. If it didn't work, you can try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So be careful when you wanna clear data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.